My memories as a kid, it was just Dad with the music. Mum worked. Dad was at home looking after us and obviously pushing for the music and that and fun. Everything he taught us is pretty much the same as what we're doing today with our producing. Never forced us into music. We all just pretty much just, we want to do it, because we're around it all the time. We started playing down in Wanganui, Ratana, and started forming down there, and then I think just blossomed from there. I think it's a blessing, and the vision that Dad had, it's all happening and it's happened for us. We've travelled the world, we've been able to live off the music as well. Dad's role, he was definitely the cornerstone, he was the foundation and our leader. You know, he was always trying to keep us on the right track, and he was just the main driver. Even the main driver of the van on tour, no one could drive. He'll never sit in the passenger seat with anyone.
House of Shem is very important to me, and for the reason that I'm playing with my children.
Dad passed in 2018. It's had a big impact on us. Yeah, definitely missing being on stage with us, and I just miss being around him every day.
Not hearing him there, it's like missing him. He'll just help to build it and make you kind of feel good about yourself as well on the stage, but now it's a little bit empty, it's not the same.
We're just pushing on and trying to keep his legacy alive. Thinking about you, when we first recorded that song in the studio, I actually didn't think it'll be a big song, But when it come out, it actually done pretty well. And still to date, it's probably one of our highest stream songs. I wanna hear you say, I can't stop it. Whoa now. When the brother Tawaroa, he messaged me and told me, I translated Thinking About You into Te Reo Māori, and I was blown away,
That's it. I hua mai tēnei whakamāoritanga I taku noho, ki taku hēti, ki te mahi hākua. And the shed just came up and I was like, actually this will be me. And then I messaged you, translated your waiata, that's us surely.
I actually love singing in Te Reo Māori, but just not learning all the little
nuances.
Not going to koanga and all that,
Yeah. That's what I love doing, is helping other Māori musicians get the reo right so that they can release their waiata and feel confident. But yeah, shop on.
Oh, massive. Oh, way. Nice. One of the parts of the song that stood out for me was the chorus and the way that Tawaroa rewrote that. I love it, because obviously Thinking About You is a love song. No matter what, I can't stop thinking about you. But the way he's put in Ka Tangi Mōu, I think, to cry and Ake ka tangi mōu.
Ko te tangi o te ngākau e kōrero ti ana, ki mea kia te omeka ki tana pāpā, ana koina. Mea ki tana wahine, ana koina, ki tana tamaiti hou, koina. Koira te ātāhua o tō tātou reo, e taea ngā mata huhua. I te kupu kotahi, te rerenga kotahi, te whakaaro kotahi.
It's beautiful. It all works out because, it makes me think about Dad quite a bit, missing him and obviously missing all those that were there to support us from the beginning, Definitely he loved singing in Te Reo Māori and he wanted us to incorporate more of that into our music. Definitely one of his visions, Here we are now and still yeah, trying to keep it alive. So this is for them.
Ka tangi o mai tō ahuritanga ara mai ki taku reo. Rui a te tai te atia kina koe e taonga, e aroha, e kore e tuku a te tuku kia koe. Aha ko ara